seat out. There we go, see? That's all it takes. For what reason would they have a totally different connector? It's not like this seat does anything different.
Different than the other one.
Can you get this door?
What's this?
Your guess is as good as mine.
Came from under the seat. Just a bolt right there.
Hey my friends, thanks for tuning in again this week. I know it's a quick video, but I just wanted to give you a recap on how far we've come so far with rebuilding Dad Fix-A-Cardi's 2022 Toyota 4Runner. In this video, we removed both of the front seats, so this way we can prep them, so this way a new airbag can be installed in the seats and the stitching can be repaired. So this way, if ever the airbag needs to deploy in the seats in the future, the airbag can do so safely. Now the stitching has to be done properly. You can't just sew it up and expect an airbag to be able to deploy properly if it is ever needed. So this has to be done by a specialized shop. Now I couldn't really understand why on the passenger seat there was a different electrical connector part of the harness. I will link down in the description a tool that I use mainly for all of the plastic clips that are on these cars and on my Subaru. This set of pliers is angled. This way you can get a nice grip on those difficult connectors that are kind of hard to get loose. I'll put that link down in the description. You can pick it up for yourself. And if you guys didn't get to tune in to the last episode where Dad Fix-A-Cardi and we did some do-it-yourself body work and we used a chain fall hoist to pull out the rad support just enough so this way we can remove the broken fan clutch and part of the radiator. So this way we could start the car and move it around. So I will link that video towards the end so this way you can check that one out if you missed it. So if you did like this video, hit that like button, subscribe so you don't miss a future episode, and share this video with your friends so this way we can grow this channel and I can continue to bring you a new episode every week. And drop a comment down below if you like this kind of content and let me know what you would like to see in the future. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.